Namaste to all of you. Welcome everyone. So today here Master Shaurya, he will practice some backbending poses, some advanced backbending pose. We'll do it together. You please watch it, and if you like it, please share and give your comments and feedback also for this video. He need more advice and he need inspiration from you. So please like, comment and share this video as much you can. So Master Shaurya, please sit here. You can start with the backbending pose, some backbend pose. Yes. Yes, we'll propose slowly. Hold it. You can hold it. That's straight. Very good. Come back, elbow down कर ले. Yes. Straight. In front more. Very good. Very nice. Come back. Being door लगा दे. Bad. Vrishik. Scorpion. Drop elbow. And then start. Leg straight front, straight leg up, feet together, पैर मिला, feet मिला, very good. अब एक leg ऊपर कर, one leg up, come back, yes, आगे जाओ, yes, now do syllabus पे. Lying down. Slow. Leg straight. Slowly. Very good. Yes. And then relax. Hold it, Dhanurasana. Very good. यहीं से. So see the flexibility of Master Shaurya is very flexible. He's work hard for that. Without work hard, nothing is possible. So please, if you also want to increase the flexibility, so you also need to work hard. And also if you want to join my courses for the advanced batches, please join it. And I also help you to increase your flexibility level. So guys, if you like, please share it. And please don't forget to give me your comments. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste, Hari Om. See you into the next video.